When you're deeply interested in a relationship, it's natural to want to have a special place in a woman's mind and heart. Whether you're still in the early stages of the relationship or already in a committed one, there are powerful strategies you can apply to create feelings of longing, making her crave your presence and miss you. By understanding the art of building an emotional connection, balancing personal space, and leaving a positive impact, you can spark the flame that makes her miss you deeply. In this video, we'll explore effective techniques that will help you make her miss you in an authentic and respectful way. 1. Give her space. This might sound a bit strange at first. You might think, if I give her space, won't she forget me or lose interest? Hold on, bro. Everyone needs their personal space and time to recharge and pursue their own interests. By respecting her boundaries and not bombarding her with constant attention, you're actually giving her the opportunity to miss you. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Think about it, bro. If you're always by her side, constantly seeking her attention, it may start to feel suffocating. But when you allow her to have personal space, you show that you respect her individuality and independence. You give her the freedom to be herself outside of the relationship. And guess what happens? When you're not always in front of her, she starts to appreciate the moments you spend together even more. Those moments become special because they're not taken for granted. The anticipation and excitement when you're together grows even stronger. 2. Maintain some mystery. Predictability can quietly kill the excitement in a relationship. So it's time to shake things up a little and make her constantly wonder. When you're too easy to figure out or always available, it's like serving her the same dish over and over again. It's nice at first, but eventually it becomes a bit bland. You need to keep things spicy and intriguing. How do you do this? By letting her wonder about your activities and interests outside the time you spend together. Let her find out what you're up to, what adventures you're having, and what drives you. This curiosity creates an exciting anticipation that keeps her on her toes. Don't get me wrong, bro, I'm not suggesting you disappear. What I'm saying is that it's important to balance your life, hobbies, and adventures, while also giving her room for her imagination too. Run wild. Let her fill in the blanks and wonder what exciting surprises you might have. 3. Stop bombarding her with texts. We all want to feel missed and desired. Here's the catch, bro. Text bombing or sending constant messages can actually work against that desire. When you engage in text bombing, constantly bombarding her with message after message can overwhelm her and even push her away. Think about it, bro. If your phone is buzzing nonstop because of all the chat notifications, it can become a source of stress, especially if she's busy with something. This is not a source of anticipation that will make her miss you. Instead, create space and let the element of longing grow. When you resist the urge to reach out constantly, it creates a void and makes her anticipate hearing from you. By stopping the text bombing, you also give her the chance to initiate contact and show her interest. It's not just about you taking all the action, but about nurturing the mutual desire to connect. When she has the freedom to reach out on her own terms, it shows that she truly misses your presence and is actively interested in engaging with you further. Keep yourself busy. Let's talk about an intriguing technique that will make her miss you even more. The art of being a busy guy. Here's the deal, bro. You don't have to be the guy who revolves around her like the earth around the sun. No, bro. You need to be the guy who has his own life, his own interests, and his own adventures. Show her that your world doesn't revolve around her 24/7. Keep hanging out with your friends and pursue your passions just like you did before you. Mature, be the guy with a dynamic social circle and a life full of excitement. This shows her that you're not desperate or clingy, but an independent individual with many interests. When you maintain an active and fulfilling life outside of the relationship, it creates an aura of intrigue. She sees that you're not just focused on her, and that's a good thing. It gives her room to miss your presence and wonder what interesting things you have going on. 5. Keep your goals alive. This is a game changer, bro. So get ready to embrace your unique aspirations and become a force that can't be resisted when it comes to being missed. When you're passionate about your goals and dedicated to pursuing your own interests, it creates an irresistible attraction. It shows her that you're not just waiting around for her, but you have a burning fire inside you that pushes you forward. So, here's the first step. Nurture your own goals and interests. Dive deeper into the things that really make your heart race and your soul come alive. Whether it's pursuing career ambitions, honing your skills, or pushing your physical limits, dedicate yourself to the passions that make you who you truly are. When you dedicate time and energy to your own goals, it sends a powerful message. It shows her that you're someone with substance, with dreams and ambitions that go beyond the relationship. And guess what? It's incredibly attractive. It creates a sense of admiration and respect for your drive and determination. Bro.6. Create unforgettable experiences. What you need to do is create memories that will make her think about you long after the adventure is over. So think outside the box, be creative, and tailor the experience to her interests and passions. What is she like? What makes her heart race? It could be anything, bro. Whether it's taking her on a romantic walk in a beautiful place, or even a spontaneous trip to a nearby city she's always wanted to visit. The key is to make the experience unforgettable. You have to make her feel like she's stepping into a world of charm, where the ordinary fades away and the extraordinary takes center stage. Conclusion. When trying to make a woman miss you, never forget your own worth. Remember, bro, you are a treasure, a unique blend of dreams, ambitions, and captivating qualities. Be the person who knows their value and refuses to accept anything less than a genuine, loving relationship. Use these strategies to make any woman miss you. And if you have any other thoughts or suggestions, feel free to add them in the comments.